9, 9. 9 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 7, 7, 7 is equal to 9, 9, 9. How? Watch carefully. First of all, add all nines as 9 plus 9, plus 9, plus 8, plus 7, plus 7. These are 49. 9 is the first figure, and 4 will be carry. Then add the remaining figures 8 plus 7, 15, and the remaining figure 4. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 9 is the second figure, and 1 is carry. Now the only remaining figure is 8. Add 8 plus 1, which is 9, the third figure. To watch more interesting quiz and puzzle questions, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks and goodbye.